In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or completely remove Save to Pinterest extension from your Chrome browser. If you'll find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you had installed Save to Pinterest extension and you no longer need it, just go ahead and click on this extensions icon below on your Chrome browser. So if you can't see this shortcut, it means you're not logged into your account. Go ahead and log in, or if you still can't find it or see it, then head over to the ellipsis and click on it, and then you should see extension. Now here you can see manage extension, and this will take you to a list of all the extensions that you have on your browser. Alternatively, using this shortcut, if you just click on this extension shortcut, click on manage extensions, you will be again taken to the same extension list that you have on your browser. From here, you should see Save to Pinterest extension is available. You can go ahead and turn it off if you no longer need to use it, while at the same time without uninstalling it. Or if you want to completely remove this extension, you can go ahead and click on remove and then confirm by clicking on remove, and the extension will now be removed from your browser. Now if you go back to extension and click on manage extensions, you can see the Save to Chrome extension has been removed. So that's how you can completely remove Save to Pinterest extension on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.